Hello, welcome back. This has been a long ride. I never thought it'd be this long. Usually some of my art are easier than others, but this took days. But enough talk. Let's get straight into the video. So I noticed my comment section has been some positive and some negative, and I want to clear some things for 1. Yes, it's Little Peep 2. Someone said why it looks evil, I don't like it. Well, that's his picture. The picture already had his face looking like that. And 3. The reference is Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter. Now, that's out of the way. I want to talk about the process getting into this. I always start with different techniques. This one technique in particular is just creating shapes and hoping for the best. There's no blending, just shapes and shades to give lighting. I used to make out lines and numbers, but I'm learning every day as I go, and are self-taught, and hopefully one day you can be too. And there are some negative would say I had going into this was definitely the jaw and the head shape. Then all sudden it was the eyes, but thank God for a white marker, cause I used that to go over the mistakes, and wow, it did me justice. And once I'm done with pencil, if noticed, I go over with pen cause it makes it darker and pop out more than once I'm done with pen. I go for the colors. Nows when I color, I always start off with one blank sheet piece of paper, so I know what colors match the photo, and I line up the color pencil in order. Sounds crazy, but it works for me. So I don't grab the wrong one when not looking. Trust me, it happens cause I'm locked in and focused to the point. Accidentally make a mistake. Once the colors are in place, I use my favorite markers called Posca. They're amazing and get the job done. I use the white for highlights, the black for dark spots, the gold for the earrings and eyes to give it a glow effect.